at an annualized rate, which would recoup roughly, 70% of the lost output because of the pandemic. I mean, this is massive numbers that you're not hearing about. But now you've got big tech companies, you got the media mob, the 99%, then you've got the Democratic establishment, the Rhino Republican establishment. Any and all of them have gone all in for all things Democratic Socialist and will even protect Joe Biden. If Joe Biden wants to hide 5 out of 6 days in his basement bunker with just 14 days to go until a presidential election. Something is not right here. No presidential candidate hides in his basement for a week with 14 days to go. It just doesn't happen. There's something wrong with him hiding. I don't know what it is, and I'm not going to venture a theory or hypothesis. It just doesn't happen. 800-941-SEAN if you want to be a part of the program. Money is freedom. I say it all the time. Now, all of us have a cell phone. We have cell service. Many of you use the big carriers, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile. If you make the switch to Pure Talk USA, you're going to get the exact same coverage because they use the exact same network as the big carriers to keep your phone, keep your cell phone on. And the service is phenomenal. Why pay for unlimited data when you don't need it? Why pay for perks that you'll never use when you don't need it? Our friends at Pure Talk USA, they have more products available to big carriers. Find out it's unlimited talk time. It's unlimited $20 per month. Our radio app to find it.
Street and all the way up to 146, the state offices. Southbound pretty heavy as you get from Smithfield to 610, and then looking at, 146, a little bit slow by Admiral Street, nothing out of the ordinary though. I'm Dan Mazzella, and that's a look at your southern New England traffic.
Got issues with youth or high school sports? Positive Coaching Alliance can help. PCA, a national nonprofit, offers more than 30 million. Can Thursday's presidential debate really make a big difference with less than 2 weeks to go before the election? I'll give you 2 more chances to win $1,000 and tell you how you can actually ask for a raise in the middle of a pandemic. Rhode Island's news, traffic, and weather starts Wednesday morning at 5 on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Well done to Wicked Dash Deals right now. Sign up for our early alert email club. Be the first to know about upcoming deals and secret promo codes only available to wicked-deals.com email club members. Now you can print gift certificates on demand, so no waiting. Buy, save, print, and go. Discounted gift certificates to restaurants, spas, concerts, attractions, and more. Join the thousands who already know the best place to get the best deals in Southern New England. The Wicked Dash Deals Early Alert Email Club. Sign up at wicked-deals.com. Hey, Rhode Rams basketball fans, join me, Steve McDonald, and Coach David Cox on News Radio 920 AM and 104.7 FM this Wednesday from 6 until 7 for the Dave Cox Radio Show, as Coach Cox shares all the exciting news of the upcoming season for URI men's basketball. Hi, this is Jay Farner, CEO of Rocket Mortgage. Making the right financial decisions has never been more important. We can help guide you to those right decisions now when they matter most. Mortgage rates are near historic lows. So when you call 8... I would have started at
20 is going to be a...
Okay.
in Texas.
Which could give you the boost that you're looking for. In addition, we may be able to help you refinance with little or no out-of-pocket costs. At Rocket Mortgage, we're committed to every client, every time, no exceptions, no excuses, giving you the best mortgage experience. Call us today at rocketmortgage.com to learn more.
Rates subject to change. Pay 2.875% fee to receive this discounted rate. Call for cost information and conditions. Equal housing lender. Licensed in all 50 states. NMLS number 3030.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Obviously a corrupt Democratic Party establishment. They just hate Donald Trump. And I don't see any love for Biden. Then you have rhino Republicans and the millions they're pouring into this race. And then you see on the other side, you see all of this enthusiasm for Donald Trump, no enthusiasm for Joe Biden. Nobody in the media will hold him accountable for the corrupt business dealings of zero-experience Hunter. Nobody's holding him accountable. I've never seen anything like it. Nobody in the media is saying you can't hide in your basement with 2 weeks to go before an election for an entire week and just drop off the face of the earth, because obviously something's going on here. And it's all happening. And then you have pandemic issues, and some people, the Democrats' whole strategy has been